Hi everybody, today I'll show you how to show author box in WordPress. So let's just begin. Alright, so to show the author box, we need to install the plugin. Okay, so for that we're gonna go inside the plugins here and click on the add new plugin. And here we have to search for a plugin here that is simple author box. And as you can see here, we have our plugin at the top of the search. So we have to install this plugin. Now let's just click on the activate. Okay, so the author box is inside the appearance. All right, so as you can see here, we have a simple author box. So let's click here. These are the packages of the pro version, but here we are using the free version. So let's just skip this. And this is how our author box will look like. Before going into the author box, what we need to do, we have to go inside the users, and in the users, we have to go inside the profile. All right. So in the profile, as you can see this, we have the username, we have the first name, last name, display name, and we also have our email here and the website. Okay. And here we just have to write down the information about self, and here you can also add your profile picture. All right. So let's just add some data here. This is the sample description. So this is our dummy description here, and here you can add the profile picture. And after here, you can see here that by installing the simple author box, we have this section. So if you want to add the profile image, you can simply do it from here. So let's add the image here. Click on the upload image. And here I would actually go here with this one. So let's update this. And after that, we can add the social media links here. So in here, as you can see here, we have a lot of the different social media links that we can add from here. So all you would need to do is select any social media link from here. And here you will simply paste the link of your account. All right, so let's just delete this. And after that, you can see this, we have this customer billing address. So you can simply skip this at the moment. And now what we need to do, we just have to update the profile here. Okay, so now let's go back into the appearance and inside the simple author box. So in here we have the visibility. So if you want to manually insert the simple author box, you can simply enable this, and you can enable this using the PHP code, and you can also insert this using the short code. Okay, but I don't want to insert anything manually here, so I will just simply disable this. And after that, you can see the option here, hide the author if the author description is empty. So if you want to hide the author box if the author description is empty, you can simply enable this value. And we can also hide the author box on the archives, and you can also see the other options here, but these options are actually for the pro version. So after that, we have the elements. So in the element, we have the author email. So if you want to show the author email, you can simply enable this value. And if you want to open the social icon link in a new tab, you can simply enable this value. And in the last, we also have the option to hide the social icons on the author box. So if you don't want to show the social icons on the author box, you can simply hide it from here. So I would be enabling this value since I haven't added any social media link in my author box. So let's enable this value, save settings. All right, so after that, we have the appearance. So in the appearance, you can see we have a lot of the different options here. So if you want to add the top margin, bottom margin, padding top and bottom of the author box, you can simply add the values from here, and you can also see the other options here as well. And you can see here that we have the author avatar image style. So that is square at the moment. So if I want to have it as a circle image, I will simply change the value from here. And you can also add the rotate effect here as well. So let's just enable this. And now you can see this, we have the rotate effect on our image here. And you can also explore the other options here, but most of these options are actually the part of pro versions. So let's save the settings now. And now after that, we have the author box tab, but this is only enabled in the pro version. And after that, we have colors. So in the colors, you can change the author name color, you can change the border color, you can change the background color, and you can also change the other colors from here. Okay. And after that, we have the typography. So in the similar way, just like the color, we can change the typography from here as well. You can change the value of font size of author name, and you can also change the font size of the author description, and you can also explore the other options here. All right. So after that, we have the guest author. So guest author is actually for the pro version. And after that, we have the advanced. So it is also for the pro version only. And in the last, we have the support. All right. So now let's just go into our blog and see how our author box is looking. Okay. So let's just go inside the post and click on the all posts here. And let's just have a look at any post from here. So let's just click on the view here. And you can see the author box here. All right. So this is how we can show the author box in the WordPress. So if you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel.